Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for logistics business. Suppose I am having a logistic company and to promote my business I am running an ad campaign on my Facebook page. And now I want that whenever a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that same lead. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For that we will have to integrate both these applications, and that we are going to do with an amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So what we are going to do, we have Facebook lead ads in our trigger, and in action I am going to take Vati, through which I am going to send WhatsApp template message. If you want, you can also take any other application such as AI Sensei or Interact. And now we are going to connect both of them by using Pabbly Connect in order to automate this entire process. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how can we automatically send WhatsApp message to our Facebook leads for logistic business. In order to create this automation, we will have to integrate Facebook lead ads with WhatsApp, and that I'm going to do with the help of an amazing automation software, Pabbly Connect. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach directly by typing pabbly.com/connect, this URL in our browser. Once we will reach on this homepage, we can find two options here, sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in, but if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account. And also when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now as an existing user, I'm directly clicking on sign in. And this is the all app section of Pabbly, where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on this dashboard, we can find all of our workflows which we have created. And also we can create multiple folders here in order to save our workflows. So as you can find, I have two folders over here. In this test integration folder, I have saved a lot of workflows. In the same manner, by creating multiple folders, you can save your workflows accordingly in them. Now, in order to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option given on right corner with blue color. So let's click on it, and a dialog box is appear in front of us. So it is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So let us first of all provide a name. Send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for logistic business. Now after giving the name, we can also select the folder in which we want to save our workflow. So I am going to select test integrations folder here. Now we will click on create. As we do that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us, trigger and action. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. Whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow and will initiate it. And the actions are going to follow the same command. Now let's understand the concept of trigger and action once again with the example of this workflow. Let's say here we are going to take Facebook lead ads in our trigger and Vati, through which we want to send WhatsApp template message in our action. And we want that as soon as a new lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads, automatically the response of that lead should be captured here in Pabbly Connect, and by using the same response, a WhatsApp message should be sent to that lead through Vati. Okay, so here we can find that the action is the response towards our trigger. Now let's start creating this workflow step by step. First of all, we will select the trigger application, that is Facebook lead ads. And now we will select the trigger event. The trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger. So here our trigger event will be new lead instant, as we want that whenever a new lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads, the workflow should get triggered. Let's click on connect. And here from the given options, I am going to select add new connection to build a new connection with Facebook lead ads account. If you want, you can also go with your existing connection. After this, let's click on connect with Facebook lead ads. And automatically our authorization has become successful. So because I was already logged into my Facebook account, therefore the connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect has become very easy and successful. So you also have to keep in mind always to keep login to your Facebook account before making up a connection with Pabbly Connect, as it makes the connection simple and easier. Let's move further. Now here we have to select the Facebook page and the lead gen form associated with the page. In order to understand this, let me take you to my Facebook account. So this is the page named as Expressway Logistics, which I have created for my logistics business. And now I want to promote my business with the help of a lead gen form. Okay, I want that whenever a new lead will be generated by submitting the form, automatically the response of that same lead should be captured in Pabbly Connect. For that, we will have to select this page and the lead gen form which we have created here in Pabbly Connect. Let's do that. I am going to select the page as Expressway Logistics, and now we will select the lead gen form associated with the page. So here I want to use this lead form. I have selected it. So I want that whenever a new lead will be generated by submitting this lead form, then only the response should be captured here in Pabbly Connect, otherwise not. After selecting the page and the form, let's click on save and send test request. And we can find that as we have clicked on save and send test request, it is showing waiting for webhook response. That means now we have to do a test submission in order to capture the response here in Pabbly Connect. How we are going to do that? By filling up the form and submitting it. So in order to do that, let me take you to Meta for developers. And after coming here, we have to go towards My Apps. After coming on My Apps, here we can find the option of tools. And when we click on tools, it will take us towards developer tools. So under other developer tools, we will find the option of lead ads RTU debug tool. Let's select it. And it has taken us towards lead ads testing tool. So this lead ads testing tool is going to help us in order to test our integration. Here we are going to submit the form, and then as soon as we will submit the form, automatically the response of that form will be captured in Pabbly Connect. So because I'm not running any live campaign for my business, I could not send the data of a real lead towards Pabbly Connect. Therefore, with the help of this testing tool, I am going to test my integration. But in your case, when you will create your lead gen form after running a live campaign on your Facebook page, automatically whenever a new lead will be generated by submitting the form, the response will be captured in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so here what we are going to do, we will select the page first. So my page is Expressway Logistics, and now we can find that the form associated with this page is already selected. So we will click on preview form to submit it. But before that, it is given that if you want to create a new lead, first you will have to delete your existing lead by clicking on this delete lead button. So let's do that. And here, after deleting the existing lead, we have to refresh the page once. And then again we will select the Facebook page, that is Expressway Logistics, and the form. So this is very important step. Once you will delete your existing lead, you have to refresh the page once, and then again you have to select the Facebook page and the form so that a new form could be open in front of you. Okay, so now let us click on preview form and we will submit the form. So this is the form which I have created, named as Expressway Logistics. So basically this is a contact form, and my motive is that whenever a person is going to fill this form and submit it, automatically the response will be captured in Pabbly Connect. Okay, here because I'm doing a test submission, therefore I'm going to enter dummy details over here. Let's say the name as dummy user, a random email, phone number, city, and now the country. So the country will be India. Okay, so after entering all the details, let's click on next and we will submit the form. So as we have submitted the form, let's go back on Pabbly Connect and we will check whether a response is received here or not. So as soon as we have submitted the form in lead ads testing tool, the response is captured over here. That means our integration is perfectly successful. So here we have received all the details: full name, email, phone number, city, and the country. So after receiving the response, let's move towards our next action step. And here we want to send WhatsApp message to the lead which is recently generated from Facebook lead ads. So in order to send WhatsApp message, here I'm going to use Vati. Vati has the official API access of WhatsApp, through which we can send WhatsApp template message by creating different templates. Now, in place of Vati, you can also take any other application if you want, such as Interact or AI Sensei. Here, because I'm taking Vati, I'm going to connect Vati with Pabbly Connect. So let us select the action application as Vati. And now we will select the action event. So in action event, we will select send template message. Click on connect. And from the given options, I'm going to select add new connection to build a new connection with Vati account. If you want, you can definitely go with the existing connection also. Here, after clicking on add new connection, we have to enter two details: API endpoint and access token. So from where we are going to find both the details, for that instructions are provided to us here. So we simply have to go towards our Vati dashboard and then we have to click on this API docs. And after clicking on API docs, we will find both the details. Let me take you to my Vati account and we will go towards API docs. And here are both the details: access token and API endpoint. So first of all, let us copy the API endpoint and we will paste it here in the field. And now we will copy the access token and again we will paste it here in Pabbly Connect. Done. Click on save. And successfully our Vati account is connected with Pabbly Connect. So here now we have to enter the details in order to send WhatsApp template messages. So first of all, it is asking us for the WhatsApp number. Here in this field, we have to enter the number on which we want to send the message. Because we want to send message to our Facebook leads, therefore we are going to use a response which we have received from Facebook lead ads in order to map the details over here. So first of all, I will map the number. Mapping is inserting data from our previous step, and here we can find our previous step is given over here. We will simply select it and all the details are here. So whatever detail we want to map, we will simply select that and it will be mapped here. So here we want to map the number, we will select it and it is mapped. Now, because we have mapped this number, automatically whenever a new lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads, this number is going to be replaced with a new number of a new person. But in case if we will enter it manually, then it will become static and it is not going to change with each and every response. Then the workflow will get stuck and we cannot send message to each and every person automatically. Therefore, wherever in the workflow we want that data should get replaced automatically, there we use mapping. And when we want that data should remain same with each and every response, there we type it manually, and that is called as static mapping. After entering the number, let's move further, and here it is asking us for the template name. Now here we have to enter the name of the template which we want to use in order to send messages. So let me take you to Wati, and we will go towards template section. Here we can find that I have multiple templates over here. So I have created this expressway logistics template for my logistic business. Let me open it and show you. So the name of this template is Expressway Logistics. I have selected the category as marketing and I have used English language to send the message. If you want, you can also select any other language in order to send WhatsApp template messages. Okay. Now the next is broadcast title. So I have kept the broadcast title as the name of my company, that is Expressway Logistics. So whatever we are going to select in our broadcast title is going to be shown in the header of the message in bold. If you want to attach any image along with this message, you can also select the broadcast title type as image, and then an image will be attached here in the header of the message. Okay, let's move towards the body. So this is the content, the message which I want to send to my Facebook leads. It contains hello name, thank you for contacting us. We have some special offers for you. Enjoy 40% off on all your bookings this month plus extra 10% off on your first booking. Apply coupon code Express First 10. Thank you Team Expressway. So this is the message, just a basic message which I want to send. Here in the place of name, because I have used a variable, automatically with each and every response, a new name of a new person is going to appear here. So in the same manner, by using variables, we can customize the message according to each and every lead. And with this, we can send the same message to multiple people in the customized format according to their name and details. So here I have only used one variable for name. You can definitely use many variables as you want. After completing the message, let's move further. And here if you want, you can also attach any footer line along with the message by using this option. After that, the next is the button option. So if you want, you can also attach call to action button with this message. Here, because I have kept the message very basic, therefore I'm not using these two fields. But in case when you will create your own message for your business, you can definitely create it in more customized and creative format. Okay. At last, the sample content. So when you will use the variables, you also have to provide the sample content for each and every variable. As you can find, I have used one variable over here for name. So I have provided dummy name over here as the sample content. Sample content is not required to be always exact. You can also provide dummy details over here. Now, after completing this entire template, you also have to send it for approval. And once it will get approved, you can definitely use it in order to send multiple messages to multiple people. Here, my template is approved. So I am going to use it in order to send WhatsApp template messages to my Facebook leads. Let us again go back on Pabbly Connect, and here we have to select the template name, which we can find that is already selected as Expressway Logistics. So we will move further. And here the next is asking us for the broadcast name. In this field, we have to enter the broadcast title which we have used in our template. So in my broadcast title, I have used the name of my company, Expressway Logistics. I am simply going to enter the same here. We have to enter the exact title which we have used in the template. Okay. After this, the next is the very important and crucial step, that is custom parameters. So in this field, we have to provide the values for the variables which we have used in our template in this exact format. So we have to provide the custom parameters in name and value pair. So without taking any risk, I'm simply going to copy this and paste it over here. And now I'm going to make the necessary changes. So in place of name, the name of the variable will come, and in place of value, the value which we want to use for the variable is going to come. So in place of name, because my variable is for name, here I'm going to enter name only, and in place of value, I'm going to map the name from Facebook lead ads response. So with this simple step, we have successfully completed our workflow and our custom parameters are in the correct format. In the same manner, if you want to enter values for more than one variables, then you will use a comma here. After completing this variable, then you will use a space, and then again you will copy the format, paste it over here, and then make the necessary changes. Okay, so now because we have successfully completed all the information, let's click on save and send test request. And we can find that we have received a response, and in response we have also received an ID, and because we have received this ID, that means the message is sent on the number which we have mapped. So let's go and check on WhatsApp whether a message is received there or not. And here we can find that yes, we have received the message from Expressway Logistics. Hello dummy user, thank you for contacting us. All the content in the message is exact same which we have used in the template. That means our workflow is perfectly successful. So let's go back on Pabbly Connect and we will summarize what we have done in this workflow. So here we have taken two simple steps, trigger and action. In trigger we have taken Facebook lead ads and in action we have taken Vati. And we have connected both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new lead will be generated for our logistic business from Facebook lead ads, automatically the response of that lead will be captured here in Pabbly Connect, and by using this response an automated WhatsApp message will be sent to that same lead. Okay, so this was the full workflow and these are the steps which we have to follow in order to create this integration. In the same manner, by following the same steps, you can very easily create this automation, and that is going to enable you to further connect with your leads for your logistic business by sending them automated WhatsApp message. And with this, you can also further inform them about your company, your business, and also the offers you want to provide them. Okay, so this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can easily integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can easily email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can easily reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you are having any pricing related issue with Pabbly Connect, you can easily reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automation.